Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit horizontal rib stitch. Look, this stitch will be perfect for the scarf. Here is the wrong side and the right side. The stitch is really easy and has only 4 rows to repeat. Look how cute it is. For this stitch you need to cast on any number of stitches, doesn't matter, odd or even, plus 2 selvage stitches. Let's cast on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stitches is enough. Row number 1, slip the first stitch. It's a selvage stitch. Now insert your needle between next 2 stitches, yarn over and draw up a loop. Now knit 1. And that's what we are going to repeat. Insert the needle between next 2 stitches, yarn over, draw up a loop, and knit next stitch, knit 1. And let's repeat. Insert the needle between next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, knit 1, loop, knit 1, loop, knit 1, loop, knit 1, and for the last time, between the last 2 stitches, draw up a loop, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Great, turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch and knit 2 together through the back loop. That loop and the stitch from the previous row. Knit 2 together, back loop. Knit 2 together, back loop. Knit 2 together, back loop. Knit 2 together, back loop till the end. At the end, purl the last selvage. Turn. Slip the first stitch. Row number 3, knit all stitches across. And purl the last selvage. In the last row, row number 4, purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. That's it, guys. The first ridge is ready. Here it is. And now we start repeating the pattern from the very first row. Slip the first stitch. Now insert the needle Between next two stitches, draw up a loop, then knit 1. And again, draw up a loop, knit 1. Draw up a loop, knit 1. Draw up a loop, knit 1 till the end. And for the last time, knit 1 and purl. After that, knit 2 together through the back loop, then knit all stitches and then purl all stitches, and you will get those beautiful ridges. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!